Okay, so here we have the DualShock 4 controller, and here is our DualShock 4 cable guard. I will be showing you how to put it on. Right, so it just snaps in place. You can even fit a jack through there. That. All right. So now we have this cable here. I designed it around this cable, but it does work with other cables. I can't promise that it will work with all, of course. I have a link to this cable in the description. Fit it in like that. All right. We have it, as you can see there, like so. Okay, and now we just slip this bad boy on, actually. I'm gonna plug this in first, then we just slip it on. And there you have it. That holds it in place so you don't easily snatch it out. So you can continue charging your controller as you play. But there you go. That is the DualShock 4 cable guard.